ज्ञानवापी मस्जिद का मामला आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुना जाएगा। वहीं हिंदू सेना ने इंटरवेंशन एप्लीकेशन दाखिल की है। ये सुनवाई ऐसे समय में हो रही है जब वाराणसी की एक अदालत ने जिला प्रशासन को स्थान को सील करने का निर्देश दिया, जहां परिसर के अंदर कथित तौर पर एक शिवलिंग पाया गया था। बता दें कि आज ही वाराणसी कोर्ट में सर्वे टीम अपनी रिपोर्ट भी जमा करेगी। ये विवाद उस समय शुरू हुआ जब महिलाओं के एक समूह ने काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर के पास बनी मस्जिद की बाहरी दीवारों पर मूर्तियों के सामने रोजाना प्रार्थना की अनुमति मांगी। और इसी पर ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए मेरे सहयोगी हरीश जो हैं फोन लाइन पर जुड़ चुके हैं। तो हरीश, एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हेयरिंग है जो आज होने वाली है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, और इसी के साथ ही सर्वे की रिपोर्ट भी है वो पेश की जाएगी। तो कुछ और जो है हम नई चीजें सामने आ सकती हैं इस मामले में?
Yes, that's right. Two developments are expected today regarding pertaining to the Gyanvapi, the raging Gyanvapi Mosque dispute. Number one, the advocate commissioners will be submitting the report to the Varanasi Civil Court, and number two, a very most important hearing will happen in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court will hear the petition filed by Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid, that is the Masjid side, seeking a stay on the proceedings, ongoing proceedings before the Varanasi civil judge. They call the proceedings, especially the direction to the advocate commissioners to conduct a survey of the mosque as a violation of Places of Worship Act, and also an attempt to disturb the communal peace and harmony. So we'll have to wait and watch whether the Supreme Court issues a notice or even stays the proceeding before the Varanasi Civil Court. If there is a stay, it will mean that even if a report is filed in the Civil Court today, the Supreme Court will ask the Civil Court to keep the report in abeyance. There cannot be any further proceeding before the Civil Court till the Supreme Court decides the petition filed by Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid seeking a quashing of the proceeding before the Civil Court. Apart from calling it a violation of Places of Worship Act and an attempt to disturb the peace and harmony of the country, they have also questioned how the proceedings could continue when the main suit is pending in the Allahabad High Court, and the Allahabad High Court has stayed the proceeding in the lower court, and also had even earlier stayed the order of the lower court, which had ordered an archaeological survey of India's survey of the area. They also say that the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid also says that even the Supreme Court in the Ayodhya judgment had upheld the Places of Worship Act and had called it a legislative instrument aimed at protecting the secular fabric of the country, and had also said that historic wrongs cannot be corrected by people by taking law into their hands. They also say that the civil court was wrong in selecting an advocate commissioner of the petitioner. That is the five women, Hindu women who had sought praying at the Ma Sringar Gauri and other idols which are on the western wall of the mosque. So these are the main arguments which will be placed by the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid. So all eyes on the Supreme Court. We have to wait and watch whether the Supreme Court stays the proceedings before the Varanasi Civil Court as prayed by the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid. Back to you.
Yes, definitely, Harish. An important hearing today in the top court, and this comes after a time when a Varanasi court had directed that the district administration should seal the spot where a shivling was allegedly found inside the complex. Thank you so much for this information.